we are talking all about that metallic gold drip that we drip down our cake again, the updated version. Welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. I have had so many questions about this metallic gold drip, and I'm here to answer a lot of them. I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite luster dusts, and you're gonna be surprised which ones are my favorite. So here we go. Let's start talking about luster dust. All right, a lot of people ask me, is it edible? Is it safe to eat? There is definitely debate with which one is safe, which one's FDA approved, which one is really 100% edible. Are there 100% edible luster dusts? There are. I'm gonna show you guys which one. The ones that are 100% edible, that you can put in your drinks even, or whatever you want. 100% edible is Roxy and Rich. As you can see, I've got Roxy and Rich here. This one is my dark gold, and this one is 100% edible. My next 100% edible gold luster dust is Sweets and Treats Glamour Luster Dust. It's gold glamour. This one is 100% edible too. You can put it in your drinks as well. So the 100% edible ones are Sweets and Treats and Roxy and Rich. I also found this one on Amazon. It's for cakes, safe to consume. I'm assuming this one is more edible. I don't know if it's 100% edible, but it's non-toxic, so there you go. That one is more expensive. The more expensive gold luster dust that you find are pretty much a shoo-in for being edible and safe to put on your cake. Next, I'm gonna show you guys, these ones are from Amazon. I have Oh Sweet Art, it's just gold, and Pharaoh's Gold. These are cheaper on Amazon. They say they are non-toxic. They can be put on cakes, but like I said, there's a big debate if you wanna put that non-toxic onto your cake or if it's not edible. And you're gonna see why I love these cheaper ones a lot. I'll show you guys why. Okay, we're gonna start out making our gold drip. I'm gonna start out with the Roxy and Rich Aztec Gold and the Dark Gold. We're gonna add a half teaspoon of this hybrid luster dust. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of lemon extract and a tablespoon of powdered sugar. We're gonna mix it around and see. It's kind of not got a great consistency. It's drying out, getting a little lumpy. That is okay, you guys. I always start out with those same measurements so I can add and take things away, and it just works well. So we're gonna add a little bit more lemon extract to it. If you need to add a little bit more powdered sugar, just keep on stirring it until you get that fun consistency. All right, you can see with my Roxy and Rich Gold, this one is kind of turned more of a yellowish gold instead of that metallic shiny gold, which I love. I think it's so pretty. All right, we're gonna start dripping it down the cake here, and you can see I just have a spoon and I just kind of drip nice and slow down the side. We're gonna do the same thing with our dark gold here. You are in charge of how you want this drip to look. The thicker the drip, the more the drip is going to stay on your cake when you start dripping it down. All right, you can see Roxy and Rich, I love that they're 100% edible, but they're definitely not as metallic-y gold as the other ones. It's a Sweets and Treats Glamour Gold Luster Dust. This one definitely comes the closest to that metallic look as the cheaper luster dust you can find on Amazon. So we're gonna do this with our Sweets and Treats Gold, and we're gonna do the same thing, you guys, just a half teaspoon of it and a teaspoon of lemon extract and a tablespoon of powdered sugar. We're gonna mix it around, add things, take it away until you get that nice consistency that you're looking for. And you can see this drip is definitely the more metallic drip. If you're looking for that metallic, pretty drip, this one's the way to go. Also, these ones off of Amazon, the ones that are cheaper, the ones that are non-toxic on Amazon, they make the same metallic shiny gold. So if you're just making it at home and you want to try this in practice, I would definitely get the cheaper golds just to try it in your house. I found this one off of Amazon too, and it is more expensive. It says it's made especially for cakes. I'll link all this stuff in my description. And when I did it, mixed it all up, it was the same kind of look as the Roxy and Rich. Not quite as metallic-y, more of a yellowy, shiny, glittery gold. All right, I'm gonna try a few more things here. I've had so many questions Yes, you can use other things besides lemon extract. Why do I use lemon extract? Because I've tried all the other ways, the different extracts I've tried. You can use vodka if you want. You can use vanilla. Make sure that it's clear vanilla extract. And I've tried most of the other extracts, and lemon extract just works for me and the consistency that I want on the cake. So, like I said, you guys are free to go and try any other extract. The vodka does work, and you know, go for it and find what works for you. I am gonna show you guys. People have asked me if you can use an actual lemon juice instead of the lemon extract. The answer is yes and no. So I'm gonna show you. I'm cutting up my lemon, and we're gonna do the same exact thing here. We're doing a half a teaspoon of our luster dust, and we're gonna put about a teaspoon of lemon juice in, and then we're gonna add our powdered sugar. You can see as I'm mixing it around, it just doesn't want to set up like my other drips. I kind of move it around and mix it. It's just doesn't get as smooth, and the consistency just is not perfect. You can see as I'm gonna start dripping it down the sides of this cake, it just goes right to the bottom. And that's okay if that's the look you were looking for, and if you don't have anything else around, then yes, use lemon juice. But it's definitely a different consistency than actual lemon extract. I made this silver with my lemon extract, and you can see the difference in the drip. Lemon extract just works for me. You guys go in your kitchens, figure out what works for you, figure out what luster dust you guys want. Like I said, there's non-toxic ones out there, and there's a lot of debate about it. There's also 100% edible. It's just totally your preference. I wish you guys could see it in person, because even though they're a little bit different, like, you know, the darker gold and the kind of more yellowish gold, they're so shiny. They're all just shining, and they're just so fun and pretty. So no matter what you guys decide, which luster dust you want to use on this cake, it's gonna be pretty, whatever you guys decide, because it's gold drip, and of course some silver in there as well. I'll link all of these luster dusts in my description so you guys can go make this at home. And like I said, go explore, try different things, and see which one is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching here at Chili's Baked Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.